What is this? तो आज अनिष्क ने ये ABCD लेके आया है न्यू टॉयज ABCD ब्लॉक या इसका तो अनबॉक्सिंग करना है अनबॉक्सिंग ओके तो ये आज न्यू गेम लेके आया ओके ओके व्हाट इज दिस
Wow, everybody! Let's see number two. Guys, look.
सर्च वेयर इज ABCD तो ये न्यू टॉय अनिष्क ने आज लेके आया है मार्केट से मार्केट नहीं एक्चुअल में दुर्गा पूजा घूमने गया था ओके नेक्स्ट
B for ball.
वेयर इज B
Oh no, where's my B? B! B is for ball.
वेरी नाइस
C is for cat.
ओहो
C is for camel.
सोमी
C is for camel.
C is for camel very nice
C is for cat. C is for camel.
okay now next
D. D is for duck.
D for duck 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 right very nice good job
Oh, D.
good job next
E. E
Search.
is for eye.
very nice E is for eye
Oh. F is for frog.
very nice F is for
Frog.
very nice now next
G.
हाँ
Oh.
search G
G is for grapes.
okay
Yeah.
G is for
Grapes.
okay grapes very nice
H is for horse.
okay
Oh.
H for
H for
horse
horse.
very nice
Next is I. So I is for ice cream.
okay
Wait.
I for
Ice cream.
very nice
Joker.
J is for
Joker.
very nice next
K. Search. Where's K?
where is K
K is for kite. L is for lion.
L is for
Lion.
okay
It's so beautiful.
next
M.
search M where is M where is M
M is for mango.
very nice
N is for nest.
M is for
Mangle.
Oh,
N is for
mango.
nest.
Okay. N is for nest.
Wow.
Next.
Ooh. O is for owl.
Next.
Is P. P is for parrot. Now we'll save.
Next.
Q. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit.
R is for.
Rabbit.
Okay.
S is for swing. Oh. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. Now, alphabet.
Next.
V. V is for violin. I'll find him. U is for watermelon.
W for.
Watermelon.
Okay. Now next.
X.
Hmm.
X is for Xmas printer.
Okay.
Y is for yak.
Hmm.
Z is for zebra.
Now read once again. A for.
A for apple.
Okay.
B for ball.
C
C
for-
for cat.
What is this?
No.
Written here. What is written here?
D is for duck.
Huh.
E is for eye.
Okay.
F for frog.
Okay.
G is for grapes.
Huh.
H for horse.
Hmm.
I is for ice cream.
Hmm.
J for joker.
Okay.
K for kite.
Huh.
L for lion.
Huh.
M for mango. N for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot.
Okay.
Q is for queen.
Very nice.
R is for rabbit.
Very nice.
S for swan.
Hmm.
T is for tomato.
Very nice.
U is for umbrella.
Huh.
V is for violin.
Huh.
W is for watermelon.
Very nice.
X for Xmas center. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
Very nice. Now clap, 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 clap. Very nice. Now say A, B, C, D.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me?
Very nice.
Subscribe for two. Thank you. Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Anishko, say bye.
Say bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा मेरे चैनल को और शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.